Welcome to the online tutorial regarding how to place a term deposit. Firstly, you need to log in on the Australian Money Market homepage. If you've not already done so, you will notice there is a secure login on the top right-hand side. Go to the secure login section and enter your user ID. For this purpose, we'll enter John Planner and your password. Then click the Login button. Once the page opens, you will see a complete list of your clients. Choose the client to which you would like to place a term deposit. For this purpose, we'll choose the Steve Citizen Superannuation Fund. So let's click on that. This will take you through to the Current Investments page. You can see that there is a balance of $250,000 currently sitting in the cash management account, which is located here. At the outset, your client is required to open a cash management account with one of the institutions provided, or link an existing account. This acts as a hub account to the system. For more details on how to do so, view our How to Set Up an Account tutorial. The cash management account enables the easy flow of funds between financial institutions. It is important to note that these funds are always held in the client's name. Any existing at-call or term deposit accounts held by the client are also shown on this page. For example, the Steve Citizen account currently has 3 other term deposits with the deal number, account number, bank, amount invested, type, start date, date of maturity, rate, interest accrued to date, interest frequency, and the cash management account from which the funds originated showing for each. You are able to place deals 24/7. If you place a deal outside of standard trading hours, this will show as a pending deal highlighted in red, as shown here, and will be processed on the next business day and can be cancelled up to the commencement of the next trading period. At the time the pending deal is processed, should the rate increase, the deal will go ahead at the new rate. If the rate decreases, the deal will not go ahead, and AMM will contact you as the advisor for further instructions. If we can't reach you, the deal will be cancelled. You can also check the total amounts invested by provider relative to the government guarantee limit of $250,000 per entity and institution by clicking here. To place a term deposit, click on the Browse Rates link next to the cash management account you want the funds to come from. This will take you to the Rates page. Here, enter the amount you wish to invest. So let's say you'd like to invest $220,000. We would enter the amount here, then click the Search button. As you can see here, the highest rate for each term across all the providers are displayed and bolded at the top of the table. If you hold the mouse on the rate, it will show you which provider is offering the best rate on a per annum basis for a chosen term. Note that the interest is paid at maturity for deals 1 year or less and annually for terms greater than a year. The rates are initially displayed in order of the best 3-month rate, but the order can be changed by clicking on any of the term headings above, like so. Once you have decided upon the term and institution that suits your client, click on the rate. For this purpose, we'll choose ING. And we've chosen a term of 6 months, so let's click on the applicable rate. Depending on the institution selected, an information pop-up may appear. For ING deals, you need to read this additional information provided and then click OK. By doing this, you will be taken to the New Deal page. Here, the maturity date can be amended for some banks within a 10-day window, but it will not allow weekends or public holidays to be entered. You should download the PDS and Financial Services Guide for ING to be provided to your client. Read the additional information and click on the checkbox to acknowledge this. Once done, hit Accept Deal. Due to AML legislation, additional information fields are now required to be completed, including source of funds, occupation for each signatory, beneficial owners for both corporates and trusts, including classes of beneficiaries, and nature of business for both corporates and trusts. For existing clients, if any of this additional information is missing, a pop-up will appear as shown here, and this information will need to be provided before any deals are able to be placed. In this case, we need to provide the nationality and occupation for Steve Citizen. If you have entered an email address for your client against the account, the PDS for the chosen bank will be automatically emailed to the client. The deal is now complete and appears as a pending deal. As this deal was placed during standard dealing hours, it will be processed and the funds have been deducted from the cash management account balance. On completion of the deal, you will also receive an email confirming the deal. The chosen provider institution then sends out a separate bank confirmation to Australian Money Market in due course. To see an example of this, click on the deal number, which takes you through to the confirmation page. This confirmation is then scanned and saved on the website and emailed out to you, the advisor, and if elected on the Australian Money Market application form, your client as well. If you have any further questions about placing a term deposit, please give us a call on 1300 306 281.